What's good, what's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. Looking over our friend Gala Games. Looks like we're about to break a channel. Sitting at 0.0219, up 2% on the day. You see market cap of 477 million. 24-hour volume, 56 million. CPI got released today. Please watch my Bitcoin video for updates on that. So if we really zoom in here, this is the 1 hour time frame. We're in our wave 4 pullback zone. We have Darth Maul candle here. The bulls tried to push the price up, got rejected. And then the bears pushed the price back down. It also got rejected. But as you can see, we have 3 continuation candles to the downside. So obviously we do have bearish strength. So if this channel breaks, that could be the first sign of starting to come down in the wave 5. We do a little something like this. And we see continuation to the downside. That's what I think is probable. If we were to bounce and break 0.023, which is the max retracement for the wave 4, we can consider a bullish move in the bottom being in. But I don't think it's a more probable scenario. I think it's more likely we're going to come down in wave 5 and break this low and then see continuation to the upside. So the key level to watch here is the support of this channel here, which is currently coming in about 0.0218. Alright gang, so quick little update. As I mentioned, we are sitting on the 78.6% fib level. But after a bear market bottom, the wave 2 can be very deep to cause max fear, and then the whales take advantage and they start scooping it up. So I think that's what's likely for Gala Games as we fill that wick. We break below it a little bit. Everyone thinks we're going to create a new low and then we start to bounce. As I mentioned, if we do create a new low, then it is what it is, and we readjust the wave count. So that's what we're looking at for Gala. Just watch this channel. If it starts to break down, that's more confirmation. You're going to start coming down in the wave 5, which I think is the higher probability bullish scenario. Come up and break 0.0238. Sometimes I get comments like, oh, it's going to go up, it's going to go down. What does that mean, bro? Thanks for the help. Doesn't mean shit. That's why I always say what I think the higher probability is. Yes, it can always break up. It can always break down. That's trading. All right, gang. That's it for this one. Smash the like button. We're in 4 trades right now. You can have a 30-day free trial to my signals and analysis. If you sign up to Bitkit or Bybit, I prefer Bitkit. Do the majority of my trading here on Bitkit. Grab up to 8K in bonuses. Email me or sign up email. It takes 2 minutes. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. 30-day free trial to my signals analysis, crypto news, member profits, Mahado alt plays, 4x analysis and signals. Otherwise, it's $10 a month for direct access. Sign up through the Patreon link. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.